To perform reset of Redmi Buds 6 Play, first of all you will have to start from inputting both earbuds inside your charging case, and you have to be sure that you open this cover. Right now, let me just catch focus. As you can see right here you can find the button. And now we have to click and hold this button for 10 seconds. And on the front, as you can see, there's a small indicator. It's just right here. And we have to keep holding this button all the time. Right now it starts blinking quickly, but when it starts blinking a little bit quicker, take a look, it means that we are performing the reset right now. So keep holding. And right now when it starts blinking slow, you can release. And this is actually how we can perform the hard reset of the Redmi Buds 6 Play. Now as you can see we are not connected anymore. Thanks for watching.